So recently we asked Biotechnica team to compile a list of colleges in Bangalore. And the fun part is, when we started compiling, we realized that Bangalore is not just the hub of biotechnology companies, but also a hub of biotechnology colleges. And you'll be amazed to know that more than 51 colleges and universities combined are there in biotech in Bangalore. And if I'm assuming roughly say 50 students per college also, we are talking about huge. So basically Bangalore houses more than 10,000 more or less biotech students also. Now, the moment we published this list, it was trending all over Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and everywhere. People started asking me, okay, now that we have this 51 list of colleges, tell me which one is the best, right? And to be very, very frank, it's very difficult, and I will not be biased because none of these colleges pay me anything. I'm just doing it for the sake of my students because they all deserve to know the truth. They all deserve to know which is the best among all of them. So, see, I don't have a ranking thing. I'll go through the list, and whichever college picks my eye, I'll tell you which is good. So, let's start with it. You have I think 4 or 5 colleges with starting with A, Acharya College, Administrative Management College, Akash Group of Institutions, Alliance University, and AMC. Now, among all of these, I believe Acharya is good enough, but Acharya has got 2 campuses, so mind you, please be careful. Acharya Management College and Acharya Institute of Technology. The Institute of Technology is what I'm talking about, not the Management College. Okay, so it's a good one. If you ask me, across Bangalore, like which is the best, without wasting much of your time, I'll tell you that is Mount Carmel College. Now, Mount Carmel College, why do I say that? Because of 2 reasons. First, I have interacted with the students of almost every college now in the last 17 years, and I have found the students of Mount Carmel College highly outstanding. And in fact, many of them have worked with me as a staff member in Biotechnica also, and I have done a lot of placements for them. And I know that the faculties, they are really good, high quality, and I know a lot of people who are still studying in Mount Carmel College and they qualify CSI on it also. Why? Because their theory part as well as practical part, both is very good. So Mount Carmel College is one which I will recommend. Now, quickly, so first one, like I said, Mount Carmel, of course. Then you have Christ University, they are good. They have a wide array of courses from BSc, then you have MSc, PhD, and not just in biotechnology, they have in chemistry, life sciences, zoology, botany, various other. So Christ College is one. So after Mount Carmel, I would rank Christ. Then Dayanand Sagar University now. It is also a very good university, and deep domain expertise is what is the forte of the faculties there. So Dayanand Sagar University is very good. Then I would suggest you, if you are still considering, you have Geetham University, Geetham School of Science. They have BSc Biotechnology, BSc Chemistry, BSc Food Science and Technology, BSc Statistics, MSc Chemistry and MSc Statistics. These are the courses which you can go for. So Geetham School of Science or Geetham University. They are in Bangalore and very less known, but they are good. Then you have obviously, if in the public domain, if you see IISc, Bangalore is like the best. So the private ones, Mount Carmel, the public ones, IISc, but getting into IISc is really tough. Then moving forward, you have Jain University, they're good. I've interacted with the students over there, they're good. And of course, the facilities are good. And then if I move forward, MS Ramaiah College, they have a biotech department, and it's good. But the thing is, it's a huge campus. And when I interacted, the HOD was a very good dear friend of mine. So she had taken me in throughout the entire campus, and it's huge and it's really good. They have good infrastructure. Now, moving forward, if you're looking for BE Biotech, then New Horizon College, PES University is good. So PES University, more or less, I would say, has a lot of engineering departments. Btech Biotechnology is one of them. Mtech Biotechnology is also there. So PES is also good. Ranking wise, I would say still the ones whom I said, IISc in Mount Carmel, still will be at the top. But yeah, Mount Carmel is MSc and this is Btech. So in Btech, if I have to say you do have this PES University and New Horizon College. To some extent, I also found Riva University a very good option for BSc students and MSc students who want to make a career in life science, as well as chemistry. So Riva University is also very good. Then there are very small colleges and universities. That link is given in the description. You can check, but I'm just telling you the ones who are good. Yeah. So the nearest to Biotechnica is Oxford College of Science, and this is also very, very good in terms of infrastructure and finishing programs. They undertake a lot of initiatives. I know them personally because where I'm sitting, it's just half a kilometer. So I keep visiting them. So Oxford College of Science is also good. It's an HSR layout. So if I have to summarize overall, let me tell you, the first rank I would give personally, so this is my personal opinion, I would give to Mount Carmel College for MSc. Then obviously I'll give to Christ University, the Anand Sagar. Yeah, I missed one, Garden City University. It used to be Garden City College, GCC. Now it is Garden City University. This one I missed. This is also a very good, it will also rank somewhere around the Anand Sagar. Geetam is also, so I think in the top 4 you have Geetam at the 3rd or 4th position. IISc has a different ballgame. It doesn't stand in this rank. It is like above all of this. We call it like jahan se line shuru hoti hai, that is where IISc stands. So wherever IISc stands, from there the line begins. So yeah, that is always there. And then comes Jain, and then you do have Ramaiah College, and PES is also there. You do have a college called as Presidency College and Maharani Ammani College. These 2 colleges are also good. But if you are outsider, Maharani Ammani College, I don't know if you will get admission or not. They may not be open for out of Karnataka candidates. That you'll have to check with them. So now all these colleges have a schedule which they follow. Okay, and if you are looking for admissions in any of these colleges and you're finding it difficult or you want any kind of counseling about where to take admission, my email ID is shekhar@biotechnica.org. You can directly write a mail to me or you can just comment below and I can help you take admissions in the best of the colleges in India, especially in Bangalore because that's where I belong. And these colleges have a schedule which you have to follow, like the admission session begins somewhere around July to September, that's the time. So before that you have to apply and they have an application form. Sometimes they conduct entrance as well as interview. And I think one of the colleges which I have missed in this list, which I think should be included, is IBAB, which is, again, it's a different type of college with 100% placement. So if you are considering IBAB, that's also a very good college. I'm associated with IBAB since a long time and it's not biased, it's genuinely, I'm telling you. So if I add IBAB, we have around now 52 colleges, which is there in Bangalore, and that's a huge number. And many startups in Bangalore hire and from these colleges, including the biggest biopharmaceutical companies like Biocon and Syngene also. But what is very important to know when you are starting your bachelor's or master's in these colleges is these colleges are not supposed to give you placement because biotechnology itself is a different type of degree. They will definitely bring in the companies, but to get placed, you should have done some, skill gap programs. For example, the college will teach you microbiology or biochemistry or molecular biology, but they may not have the highly costly labs because one lab, setting up a lab costs 10 crores and the colleges, of course, they can't just for one department have 10 crores. So what I suggest students is, okay, take the admission there, be in touch with me, I'll guide you on which all skill set you need to do. Many of them we do at Biotechnica and many of them we do it with our ISC incubated lab, which is Protein Design Private Limited with Dr. Deepthi Saini. So I can take you there where you can do the hands-on. So that way, when you, after all of this, when you sit in the campus placements or directly if you apply, your chances of getting hired is high. Now, one of the questions students ask me is, so what's next? Like I did BSc, will I get placed? See, in formulation development, QA, QC, you can get placed and or you can go for higher studies now, or sales and marketing also you can get in. When you go for higher studies, then you have a master's, and then you can go for a PhD. After master's also, QA/QC jobs, F&D jobs, manufacturing jobs, all of these will be there. R&D jobs will be there. But when you go for PhD, then you actually become a research scientist. So if your goal is to become a research scientist, not a regular employee or a manager in a biotech company, then go for a PhD, which is a highly acclaimed title. But again, it will take time, and we will always be there at every step to guide you right from your +2 level to your degree level. So stay subscribed to Biotecnica, and if you have any questions, you can write to me at shekhar@biotecnica.org. And yes, if I missed any college, let me know in the comment section, or write to me at shekhar@biotecnica.org. See you soon in the next one. Till then, keep shining. Bye-bye.